Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stylist, and I am back with another Acuity Canva tutorial. This is really just going to be a revamp tutorial, how to revamp your pre-existing Canva account. It's going to answer a lot of questions I have in my other video, which I will link right here. You guys communicate to me all the time. You guys message me, DM me, and I always respond. But I feel like another video is needed because I keep getting the same questions over and over. And hopefully this video will help you guys in making your own and making your own changes to your own website, help you in the process of selling your own SD or Acuity Canva templates. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below if you would like to see like how to add your appointments to Acuity, how to create different calendars, how to create your and change your availability. Let me know if you want a very detailed video on that. I'll definitely do it. But I'm gonna get ready to jump into this video and show you guys how I make my changes to my Acuity Canva templates.
Nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing. Yeah.
Okay guys, let's jump right into this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to revamp your existing custom Acuity schedule page. So this is what I have. This is the first page I ever created, which I made some changes to. This is what I had my page to for Valentine's Day. I just took some Valentine's Day photos, added it up there with some cute little font, and then I changed the font for my overall page to the font that you see here underneath my location, as well as my "Thank you for choosing Crowns for Queens" text. And the reason why I changed it is because my original text I felt like was a little too, I don't know, transparent. So I no longer even use that style. So I'm just going to delete that page and focus on what we need to focus on. So I am going to keep this, like I said, format because I do like the text. I'm just going to replace the image that's at the top. And this is typically what I do seasonally, Easter, holidays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, whatever. I just change it and play around with it because that's the beauty of creating your own Acuity scheduler. Now, if someone does create your Acuity schedule for you, just ask them to send you the file and you'll be able to make these adjustments as well. So from the bottom of my page to the top of my page, up until this point, is pretty much always going to stay the same. Only thing I readjust is my images and the theme up the top. And how I like to do that is I like to go back into my Acuity schedule custom appearance tab. And as I mentioned before, in my original Acuity video, you must be in the monthly mode in order to be able to have this access on your Acuity page. So I am going to re-upload my photos, and I want you guys to see this part here because as you can see, it shows you what size I have. I get this question all the time in the comments. You guys DM me. I converse with you guys all the time, but I want you guys to see it right here for yourself. The size that I use is right here on the screen. So you can definitely go on to Canva and custom size it and type in those exact sizes to make sure that you get this exact size for your files that you upload. And I only have 3 files. Normally, if you do more than 3 or you have a lot of information on your files, it can say that your files are too large. So be careful with the amount of information or the size or the number of slides that you do decide to use. So I stick with my 3. This is what I get. Like I said, from bottom to top, it pretty much stays the same, except for when I change my photos. So I just do that, save it, and then boom. So I'm gonna show you guys my live preview of what my page looks like. And like I said, here, I just change my pictures from time to time, and then everything from that point down pretty much stays the same. So like I mentioned before, if you have access to your Canva link, you're able to change any information when needed. Okay. Now, if you don't have someone create you a Acuity account and you create your own, Which you can, because on Etsy, they have so many. They have some for $19, $10, $5. If you don't have the time to actually sit there and create it yourself, or you just don't know where to begin, it just is overwhelming. It's not coming out how you want it to look. Like, it's so many different things I understand. Go on Etsy and just purchase yourself one. There's literally some as low as $5. And the only thing you have to do is watch my original Acuity video. And I'll show you in that video how to add elements, or how to move things, or how to group things together, how to change the background on your photos. Remove the background on your photos, and just make your page how you want it to, just with the help of a already made template. So here I'm just going to show you again. After you have made your template or played around with whoever has sent you your link, you can adjust the size. And this is the size right here. You can make it smaller. You can make it bigger. This is the size that I decided to use. And as I mentioned before, as long as you have 3 slides, you will also be able to upload all 3 as long as you stay within this size that I have here. And then I just download it and upload it the same way you just seen that I did. So as I mentioned before, as long as you have your Acuity link, your Canva link, you can update your files whenever you want to. Make sure that you stay within that size frame and upload your 3 files to Acuity, and you'll be good to go. Go on Etsy, buy yourself a template if you don't know how to do it yourself. Save yourself the time and the headache. As I mentioned before, I get people who message me all the time and ask me to make them a page. And I have no problem with making you a page, but baby, the point of me making this videos is so this way you can save your money, because I'm going to charge you. So if you don't want to pay me, pay Etsy $5 for a template and change it yourself. It's very simple. With being a business owner, you really do need to learn how to just do things by yourself. Play around with it, know how to go, like I mentioned before, when you want to change things for the holidays, you want to just be able to change it yourself and not have to always contact someone and pay a fee. So pay attention to this video as well as my original Acuity video and save yourself some money. If you have spoken to me before, comment down below and let the people know that yes, you can still DM me, ask me questions, I respond. But I just don't want you guys to feel like you have to pay for something that I'm literally giving you guys the information to for free. So I know someone is going to ask, so let me just go ahead and show you. When you get to the main page of your Canva, there's a button that says create a design. Once you click it, there's another button that says custom size. Here you will see where you can type in your own custom size for the width and the height. Here I have typed in the size that I used, making sure that it's in the right either PX or IN. In this case, we're using PX, and then we're going to create the design. Once you click it, it's going to bring you to a blank page. This is how I start all of my custom designs, on a blank page. Again, like I mentioned before, if you don't want to do that, just get it off Etsy. Getting it off Etsy is cheaper, and it helps you build the skill of actually knowing how to make it yourself. If you ever wish to resize it for any reason, there's a resize button on your left hand top, the 3rd button. You can type in any size that you want, and you can either hit copy and resize or resize the whole file. You can also resize it before you download it, like I did. And right now it's not allowing me to click it because there is no there's nothing on my page, so it's not going to let me click it. But this is the tab that you select when you are trying to resize it when downloading. Even if you have an Etsy purchase, you can click and change any elements or add any elements that you wish to. You can upload, obviously, any photo that you wish to, remove any backgrounds that you wish to, add any text that you wish to. Canva does have some new perks that I believe you do have to have a membership to access. I do have a membership, so I'm not sure what isn't accessible or what is with or without the membership, because I have access to everything. So I want to share this very important information. Here is the file that we just created. And I'm going to click the 3 dots on it, and this is how you share the file. So once you click share, you're able to type in someone's address, email address, or their Canva information, and you'll be able to share the project that you just did with them. Meaning that once they have access to it, they're able to do what I just did as far as adjust anything that they want, the font, change their address if they relocate, add new pictures if they just had a photo shoot or want to change it for the theme of the holiday. They're able to do that by you sending them the link. but you have to make sure that it is under the option of them being able to make changes. If you are the person that sells custom Acuity pages and you just want to send it out for review, then you'll just keep it on the first tab and don't select the second tab for the person that you're sending it to be able to make adjustments. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure I share that information with you guys because it is very important that even if you create this for a friend, you'll be able to send it to them.
Okay guys, so that concludes today's video. I appreciate you guys for watching it all the way through. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what other tutorials you guys would like to see in reference to Acuity, Canva, booking your own stuff, whatever it is that you want to see. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.